Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create a color finder and review tool using OpenCV and Python. Yes, you heard that right. You can pick a color from an image or video, detect it and even get information about it, all in real time. Imagine telling your computer, hey, find all the red things in this room. And it does exactly that. Cool, right? Here's the idea. OpenCV allows us to process images and videos in Python. We can convert images from BGR to HSV color space, which makes it easier to define ranges for specific colors. Then using masks, we can isolate and highlight that color. Step 1. Install OpenCV and NumPy using PIP. Step 2. Load your image or start the webcam feed. Step 3. Convert the image from BGR to HSV color space using OpenCV's CVT color function. This makes color detection more accurate and consistent. Coming down to step 4, define the lower and upper bounds of the color you want to detect. For example, for red, you set a lower HSV value and an upper HSV value. Step 5. Create a mask using OpenCV's in-range functions. This mask highlights only the pixels within your color range. Step 6. Apply the mask to the original image using bitwise, and now you can see exactly where that color is in the image. You can even calculate the area covered by the color or display its RGB by HSV values in real time. Let's make this quite fun. So imagine you are pointing the webcam at your desk. You hold up a blue pen, the program instantly highlights it. Move it around and the blue area moves too. Want to detect multiple colors? Simply add more ranges and the program can track red, green and blue at the same time. So, why is this color useful? This thing is useful. Color detection is used in robotics, product sorting, quality control, interactive art and even games. You can build systems that react to colors automatically, like a robot that picks up objects based on color. Some tips. Lighting matters a lot. Shadow or bright sunlight can affect detection, so adjust your HSV ranges if needed. Also, smoothing the images with Gaussian blur and can reduce noise and improve detection accuracy. So, to sum up, load an image or video, convert to HSV, define color ranges, create a mask and highlight the color. You can now see and review colors in real time. And that's a color finder and review using OpenCV Python. Your computer just got colorful eyes, and if you like this, don't just look at the colors, look at the subscribe button and click and like it.